Hello, this is how you'll learn how to create a room reservation using the Booked platform. Here's the website so you can bookmark it for your convenience. Log in with your university credentials. Note that only staff and faculty have access to log into this website. How to make a reservation. Once you log in, the page will look like this. You should see a calendar, you can also view the available spaces in the physics and astronomy by selecting the drop-down menu. For this tutorial, we'll be using the math menu. Select the day you would like to make your reservation. Move your mouse to line up with the time in the room that you would like to reserve. Click the time and drag to select the duration of your event. On the next page, fill out the form. Note that all reservations will show who the owner of the event is. Notice the start and end time. You can also view the availability of the room in case your event needs more time. You can also have your event repeat on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or on specific dates. When making an event repeat, list the end date at the Until section. In the description box, include what the event is for and your email. Finally, you will add your UID number. You will see a pop-up that your reservation was created. An admin will receive an email to approve or deny your request. And that's it. So what happens when a room is reserved? Let's say you want to have an event that occurs daily. Following the instructions from the previous tutorial, fill out the information as stated before. You will get a notice indicating that the reservation cannot be made with the following dates. You can change the reservation or click retry and it will skip the days that have been previously reserved by another person. And this concludes the tutorial for creating a room reservation using Booked. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the chair's office for any guidance and assistance.